How to use Google Trend to find trending topics for your niche on YouTube. So guys, I told you guys on the last video that I am going to be showing you people step-by-step way of using Google Trend to find trending topics on your niche. All you have to do is to stay tuned till the end of this video because you are going to be learning a lot. There are many things you are going to be learning on this video. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to press on bell notification button so that I'll be able to know whenever I post new videos on this channel. On my last video, I mentioned many ways in which you can find trending topics on your niche. Example of the things I mentioned are using Google Trend to find trending topics, using social media platforms like TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and many more. Then I also mentioned using AI tools, for instance, using ChatGPT and other things I mentioned, vidIQ. So, as I told you guys, let's see the practical aspect of how to use Google Trend to find your trending topics on your niche. So all you have to do is the normal way we all use Google. Just come to Google, type in Google Trends as I have done so. Then when it comes up, click on Google Trend, trends.google.com. Then if you are using desktop version, if you are using this thing, if you are using mobile phone, all you have to do is to come over to the right hand side. You see these three dots, click on that three dots, then scroll up and put it on desktop version. Put it on desktop version. When you are done doing that, come back to the main interface, then click on these three lines at the left hand side, three lines, then click on explore. Then when you click on explore, allow it to boot. When it's done booting, what you will do here is to choose your country. Tell them the country you are in so that they'll be able to narrow your search down to what is exactly happening around you. Then click here, the second one, the second option. Tell them how many months ago you want, days or weeks or whatever, hours. Then you can click on, okay, let me use 30 days, for instance, 30 days. Now in the next this thing, what you will see is all category. What you will do here is to click on all category, then it will bring out different categories for you to choose the one you want. If you did not see what you want, all you will do is to just type in your category depending on what you are doing. It can be entertainment, it can be arts, it can be business and industrial, it can be books and literature, it can be computer and electronics, finance, whatever it is. Just type it here. Let's type maybe entertainment. 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 Okay. Okay. So under this, we have entertainment media. Let me use entertainment media. Then come here to click on web search. When you click on web search, you will see the options it will bring for you. You'll see the options. Choose YouTube search because you are searching for YouTube topics. So choose YouTube search. I've done so. Allow it to boot. So when it finish booting, you scroll up. If you are using computer, I don't think you need to be scrolling up and down because I believe everything will be displayed there. So this is what is showing me that is happening for the past 30 days based on what prompt on the prompt I've given it to search for. So if you did not see what you think you like, you can now click on show more. When you click on it, it will show you more things. Then you can click here, show more. It will keep showing you more things. depending on what you are looking for. But 7 days. So when we change it to past 7 days, allow it to boot. Let's see what we are going to see now. Okay. Okay. So this is it. Okay. Okay. As you are doing, you keep narrowing it down until you are able to see what you are looking for. Let me use past hours. So guys, this is it. It's something so simple to do. All you have to do when you come there, play around it, use different categories, different that relates to your niche. Once you are done doing that, you keep seeing different things, then pick the one you want and develop your this thing on your topic on it, develop your video on that particular one. So this is so simple to use. It's not something that is so hard. It's very simple. Just do it exactly the way I've taught you, and you are going to see results because it's going to be giving you what is already happening around you. Or even if you don't want it to be around, you can change the country. If it is maybe you are in a different country and you're searching for a different country, you can as well change the country. If you want it for like past 1 year, you can as well do something like that. Just all you have to do is key in your search word and wait for it to boot, and you see everything that you need to do. So this is all about trending, using Google Trend to search for trending topics on your YouTube niche. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned to this channel because there are more things I am going to be posting on this channel for you to be seeing. So like I told you guys, this is something so simple to do. All you have to do is to follow the instruction. If you can follow this instruction the way I have taught you, exactly what I have done here today, I believe you are going to do it so well. Just follow the instruction. Remember to type Google Trends. Then from there you proceed to either changing it to your desktop version, or if you're already using desktop, it's not a problem. Then go to the right hand side, click on the three dots to change it if you have not done that. Then after that, remember to just do exactly what I told you guys to do, and you are going to be getting all the trending topics on your niche. Because this thing is going, one good thing about it is that it's going to be narrowing the topic down to what exactly or where exactly you are. Unlike when you are searching generally, they will be showing you different things, different countries. It may be broad, it may be much for you, but with this it will narrow it down to your country. So don't forget to subscribe.